wobbly wheels.
You're just jealous, James.
Puffy pistons. You shouldn't have collected, Mr. Conductor. I should have.
James is right, little Thomas. You don't understand. Collecting, Mr. Conductor, is an important job for important engines. Important is big, and we are big engines. You are small. So we should have picked him up.
Bossy sprockets. Stop squabbling, all of you. Mr. Conductor will expect this railway to run like clockwork. Bumping railway trucks is not being really useful, Thomas. Toby, I know you're very wise, but the trucks are very silly.
Silence.
You can't say that, Percy. You can't say the word silence. Only Sir Topper Bat's allowed to say that.
Then be quiet and let's all get back to work.
Mr. Conductor says you can come out now, James. Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me.